There once lived a man consumed by anger. His neighbor had wronged him and he craved revenge. He decided to buy a venomous snake. This snake, he thought, would be his weapon. He would use it to hurt his enemy. The man hid the snake in a basket. He waited for the perfect time to strike. Days turned into weeks. The man kept the snake a secret. He fed it and cared for it. All the while he imagined his enemy's downfall. He thought about the snake's bite. He thought about the pain it would inflict. He became consumed by his plan. But revenge is a dangerous game. One day, the man reached for the snake. He wanted to make sure it was still strong. But the snake struck. It bit the man's hand. The man cried out in pain. He realized his mistake. He had become so focused on hurting his enemy that he had hurt himself. The man survived the snake bite. He learned a valuable lesson. He learned that revenge only brought pain. It hurt him more than it hurt his enemy. He decided to forgive his neighbor. He let go of his anger. He finally found peace. Remember, holding on to anger is like holding a venomous snake. You might think you have it under control, but it can still bite you. Choose forgiveness and free yourself.